This is my planet. It's a great world. This world is called Mobius. Woohoo! This place is great. You can puff as fast as you can, and there is nothing in my way. That's why my name is Sonic. A little tank engine of super energy and an extremely handsome package. Alright, let's go. Gotta go fast! Hello, Sussy! Sussy was my brake fan guardian. He was keeping me safe from all danger all over the world. Sonic! Someone could have seen me. Huh, no one saw me. I'm too fast! Trust me, Sonic. You need to keep hidden. You don't know how great of a power you have. And if someone very evil sees it, they will want it all for themselves. Don't worry, Sussy. I'll take care of myself as well as you could say so. What was that? Run, Sonic. We have to get out of here. It's the big tender engine warriors. They're after your power. Oh no, we have to go now. Come on, we have to go. Sonic, stop here. What is it, Sussy? Alright, this tunnel will lead you to a new world called Sodor. Stay hidden there. What? But I do not want to go without you. You must, Sonic. You must. And remember, Sonic, never stop puffing. Goodbye. No, Sussy! No! Sussy!